In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted Microsoft Loop page. If you've accidentally removed a page and you're trying to get it back, I'll walk you through what's actually possible right now and how to make the most of the tools available in 2025. First, check whether your Loop app includes a recycle bin. Open Microsoft Loop on the web or on your phone, then look to the bottom left of the Workspace sidebar. In some versions, you'll see a recycle bin icon. Open it to view recently deleted pages. If the page you need appears there, select it and choose Restore. This is the quickest and most reliable way to recover a page, and it works best if the deletion was recent. Keep in mind that not every tenant or app version shows the recycle bin the same way, and you'll only see items that haven't been permanently removed yet. If you don't see the bin or the page isn't listed, don't worry. There are still a couple of important points to understand about what's possible. If the page wasn't part of a workspace, for example, if it was a standalone page or something you only saw under Recent, there isn't a guaranteed built-in way to restore it today. Historically, Loop has not provided a personal recycle bin for all pages created outside a workspace. That means once a standalone page is deleted and it doesn't appear in the recycle bin, it's typically gone. The most practical takeaway is for the future. Keep important pages inside a workspace whenever possible so they benefit from workspace-level recovery options as Microsoft continues to expand them. Speaking of recovery options, Microsoft is rolling out a workspace recycle bin that lets you restore deleted workspaces, the containers that hold pages. This rollout is gradual and may extend into early 2026, so availability will vary by organization. When it's available to you, workspace owners will be able to restore an entire deleted workspace, which brings back all the pages that lived inside it. This is great for larger recoveries when a whole workspace is removed by mistake. Just note that this feature targets the workspace itself. It does not restore individual pages that were never inside a workspace. To recap, start by checking the recycle bin in your Loop app and restore the page there if you see it. If the page wasn't in a workspace, there's no guaranteed built-in recovery at the moment. And keep an eye out for the Workspace recycle bin as it rolls out, since it can bring back entire workspaces and their pages. Going forward, placing key content inside a workspace gives you the best chance of recovery if something gets deleted.